Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop autoplay of the next video on YouTube. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app. Having opened up your YouTube app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you click on playback. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to turn off this particular button right here. With that, whenever you are watching video on YouTube, once the video you are watching has been played full, it's going to stop at that point. There will be no more automatically play next video by turning off this particular button. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.